Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rachel Cabiso, and today we will be tackling the principal parts of the verbs. So, the principal parts of verbs show how a verb changes to express time of an action. So, we have here the present, the base form of the verb. Past shows an action that already happened in the past, of course. And the past participle used with have, has, or had. And lastly, the present participle ends in ing and shows an action happening now. So form I plus base, in the past I plus past tense. In past participle, we usually add ed and I have sa kanang helping verb. And the present participle base plus ing. So in regular verb, we have play. So for example, I play basketball after school. I play basketball after school. So kani siya mahitabo pa ni siya karon but later on pa kay after pa man sa iyahang school. And next in the past we have played. So for example, I played basketball yesterday. So kani siya nahitabo ni siya gahapon pa pag yesterday kay yes ga is good man taog past. So next we have played. So we usually add ed and mag-use na taog kanang I have, which is the helping verb. So for example, I have played basketball many times. I have played basketball many times. So kani siya nagamit na siya og helping verb nga I have. So kani siya is kanang nahitabo siya, pag like he used to play basketball many times daw ganon. And next, we have the present participle, the base plus ing, playing. So, I am playing basketball now. So, kani siya understandable or ni siya kay, like, karon siya nahitabo. So, now let's move on to irregular verb. So, we have here swim. So, for example, I swim every weekend. I swim every weekend. So, kani siya like, habit na gani siya sa isa ka tao nga swim every weekend. Next, we have swam. So, for example, I swam in the pool yesterday. I swam in the pool yesterday. So, kani siya completed in the past na. So, nahuman na siya og langoy kahapon. So, next, we have this swam. So, for example, I have swam in the ocean before. I have swum in the ocean before. So kani siya unspecified time siya before now or kanang for things that kanang affects the present. So there magamit ito og kanang I have swum the ocean before. And lastly, we have the swimming. So for example, she is swimming now. She is swimming now. So there nag-use na ta sa ing sa swimming. So ang kani siya like at the current moment ni siya like karon na siya nahitabo. So may you wondering anong naay is sa atong she is swimming now. It is because kanang lain man pud og maingon tawag she's swimming now, like wala siya helping verb na is. So yes, I hope gets running you guys, and that's all. Thank you.